This thing about putting a turbo on any automobile is air goes in and happiness comes out.
And you're like, bitch, get out of my way.
Okay, so we obviously got both of our turbos here. This is our one that we took off. You can tell because it's all dirty. It's been inside a car for a long time. It's been running around the roads, burning up the streets and tires and everything else. So, the reason that we're replacing this is because this is an upgraded version of this. This has thicker walls, one-piece billet aluminum wheel, and, well, hell, I don't know what else and it has. I mean, it's just simply quite freaking awesome because it's a new turbo. These two turbos is, the new turbo has a much thicker wall than the old turbo. So I thought I'd take a couple moments and show you and explain to you. I'm not going to really show you anything, I guess. I'm just going to explain to you what the damn difference is between these two turbos. This is an OEM turbo. Obviously, it's dirty, it's filthy, it's been running around the road for tens of thousands of miles, and it's probably fatigued and possibly even has some stress cracks inside the housing because of expansion and contraction along with the heat. So what we've got now is the upgraded turbo. It is plug and play. You just take this one off, exchange the manifold on the back of it, put it in here. This will go on Jeeps. This will go on Sprinters. This will go on Mercedes, I think E320s that have the 3.0 CRD Diesel inside them. You can bolt this down to anything. Now, the differences between the two of them, and what Garrett has done to make these a little bit better, is they have a one-piece aluminum wheel, solid one-piece aluminum wheel inside here, opposed to the two-piece that comes inside this one. That's better because that'll handle heat a lot better. It allows for less distortion in the wheel and possibilities of the wheel coming apart and separating. The other difference is the side walls of the aluminum inside here are much bigger and thicker. So they're going to have less chances of them cracking. As you drive these vehicles inside the city streets, wherever, maybe you're doing deliveries, maybe you're just rolling around the road, whatever the situation is, as that boost comes in, it's constantly pushing against this case. And with the heat and time, it's going to crack this case. Well, Garrett believes that they've gotten that to be much less of a possibility over the course of time with this new turbocharger. Now, I will like to say that Garrett did not sponsor this. They're not paying me tens of thousands of dollars. As a matter of fact, this video gets me 0.2 of a cent for your view. But I do this because I take nothing any greater in my life than when I wake up in the morning and says, hey, you helped me fix my car so I can pay my rent. If you've got a question for me, or if you want to buy one of these turbos from us and help out the show, look me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook Messenger. I'm certainly happy to help you out. You're more than welcome to either send me an email to the newclayway@gmail.com. I'm not trying to sell them. Doesn't matter. You've already watched the video. It's free. But if you want to help me and you can't buy one of these because you can't afford it, put on one of the sweet Clayway playlists at nighttime. Turn that volume down so you don't have to listen to my mouth run. Let them videos play all night while you're sleeping. And maybe by the morning I'll make a penny or two.
All right. So far, so good. Turbo spool. Here's the question. Sounds like she's spooling up to me. You're like, bitch, get out of my way. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
Oh, today, folks, we're out in the jungle and we're searching down for the elusive paint can reman. Oh, we found it. If you find one of these here paint can remans, grab it, capture it, and hold it so we can study it.
You're probably like, what the heck did I just watch that for? Well, this is bloopers from an upcoming video that I'm doing on a Sprinter upgraded Garrett turbo that we're putting in this Jeep and in this Sprinter. So I thought it would be kind of fun. So if you ever want your Sprinter upgraded to this great turbo that'll make it last a long, long time, check me out over here on the channel. Let me know if there's something I can do. I'm not that far away from you. God bless and have a great day. And remember, if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. Don't be the next of them, be the first of you.